Hi, in front of me is TCL 20 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to scroll down, select Apps and click on Permission Manager. Over here select one of the options like Location and pick one of your apps. I will go with Maps. I have to click on them and select one of the options over here. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so now when I go back I can see that Maps gained access to my device location. But you can also tap on one of your apps, scroll all the way down, click on see all Maps permissions over here and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!